Hello guys, welcome again. My name is Nelson Sidori, and in our previous tutorial I showed you how to make splash sheet. Then I came to page loaders. Then I promised again to show you how to make main class. First of all, the main class is the first class to be executed, which is now give chance to other classes, or it calls another class that we should be displayed in the second time after the or after their execution. Good guys. Now, first of all, I can repeat, we are working with package comma up, and now here we import two tools, and number one is dimension and number two is toolkit. And now you know very well, and I also believe that you understand well when we are now talking about the toolkits and the dimensions and why we are needing or we are in need of importing them. Good, so my class will be declared from here. This is public class main. Then you open the curly brackets, and then you begin here, public static void main in bracket string, then box bracket, then argue, and you close the bracket and open the curly bracket. Then you try. Remember, the try and catch is used to catch each and every exception that may occur during the execution of this main class. Good, so for Java Swing user interface manager dot look and feel info, then Java Swing user interface manager get install look and feel. Good, this is to display that, okay, you see, we need some feeling, yeah. When we look, we need to feel, yeah, some attraction, yeah, some attraction to our program. So this is why we are applying the nimbus, and we have more, not only nimbus. Good, then we shall break here and we catch the exception that may occur. So you can see the way I catch the exception. Good example is class not found exception. We have instantiating, then we have illegal access, and we have Java Swing unsupported exception, and we also have others, but these are one that I've tried to catch. Good, then now see how the interesting part of this main class comes about is now where we are now calling the splash. Look how I've called my splash, guys. Look how I've called my splash. Good, start splash. You remember very well, this is the name of our splash, start splash. Good, so start splash SPL equivalent to new start splash, and I've given the duration here as 5,000 microseconds. We can give 4, we can give 1, we can give 10,000, okay, 100,000, the way we may like it, but according to me, I've decided 5,000. Then after that, now we have another page, admin registrar login. This page is used to log in. Now I have called the page, yeah, this should be displayed after the splash. Guys, I've set here the dimension, and I've set the page to be visible to other user. Thank you so much. Then the next tutorial we shall be dealing with this logging in page, administrator registrar login page. Thank you for watching, but also remember to subscribe. Thank you guys. Let's meet in our next tutorial as we shall be learning how to make log.